My name's Austin Clayborn. I have this gray 505 right here behind me. The 505 is so easy to fly. Just how simple and easy, and the amount of safety items that are built into this helicopter is what makes it such a great choice for me. They gave me a banner that says 505th 505 delivered, and everyone from the factory who worked on the 505 signed it. And it's a really cool banner, and it's just a small piece of history that it's kind of fun to be a part of. The people care. You can tell by just talking to them. They care about what they're building, and it makes it feel good to be flying around in it, knowing that. The aircraft's fantastic, but the support and the people are what elevate it from just buying a fantastic aircraft to having a fantastic experience.